थोड़ी पीछे
चलेगा, पर जो दिखेगा तो करें। चाट मसाला दही, इसको ये क्या है?
अंजलि मैम।
अंजलि मैम। ये कौन है? विया, विवा हो गया। मान्यू, मान्यू। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
हाँ, उस वाली चमची को एकदम साफ करके उससे ही लगाना, या फिर नाइफ के ऊपर थोड़ा थोड़ा ले लेके लगाना।
Reha, show me your camera. You need to keep the camera. Can't see the ingredients, Reha.
Can you repeat? 1 minute, ma'am.
I can't see the ingredients. Keep the camera a little bit closer. Yes.
I'll show you one by one the ingredients. I have it all here.
Keep the camera a little bit ahead.
Yeah.
Reha, can't we keep the camera little bit up, because this is in the same line. થોડોક ઉપર કેમેરા એડજસ્ટ કર એટલે ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સ ઉપરથી દેખાય.
હા કરું છું. Now is it okay?
Okay. Good morning, Bacha Party. Yes, I know you all are excited. You all are curious to make your recipe. You all are master chef. I can see are ready with the ingredients. Announcements. Number one, yesterday, Wednesday session, you all enjoyed a lot. Today also, you are going to enjoy it the most. The morning we have one recipe. In afternoon, we have two recipes. We have an amazing master chef Reha Shah with us. She will teach you many of the things. Secondly, on Monday, we are going to have mandala art. The materials required will be shared in the group. Wednesday, we are going to have moral stories. And Friday, we are going to have a communication skills session. So mothers, please take note of it. Further information we will be sharing in the WhatsApp group. I would now request Bhumika ma'am to take the session ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, my
Yeah.
Bacha Party. So, with a big smile on your face, आज के दिन की शुरुआत हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं. And we are here to make you feel like you are a master chef in this world. And we know you are very much excited. हम लोग आज करने वाले हैं फायरलेस एंड टायरलेस कुकिंग, जो बच्चा पार्टी अपनी मम्मियों को भी सिखाने वाले हैं कि टायरलेस एंड फायरलेस कुकिंग कैसे होता है. एंड एज अंजलि मैम said, today we have a very good a star girl with us. Her name is Reha Shah. Reha Shah is a 15 years old girl, and she is passionate about the cooking since her childhood. Again, last lecture we have a Vrishti with us, जिसने हमको बॉटल आर्ट ऐसे सिखाया. हम लोग वो आर्ट में ऐसे घूम गए थे. मेरा हैंग आउट तो अभी तक बॉटल आर्ट का अभी तक उतरा नहीं है. सेम आज भी हमारे साथ ऐसी एक स्टार गर्ल है जो आज हमको ये फायरलेस कुकिंग सिखाने वाली है. She is a foodie and love to explore the different type of cuisines. She want to become a chef and she has her own YouTube channel also. आप लोग आज का ये सेशन अटेंड करने के बाद आप उनकी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हैं. तो विथ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज हम लोग रेहा को यहाँ पे बुलाना चाहते हैं. जोरदार तालियां रेहा के लिए हो जाए. प्लीज वेलकम ऑन द वर्चुअल सेशन रेहा शाह. वेलकम बच्चा.
Thank you.
Welcome, Reha Shah.
Thank you.
Yes, you can start your session now, Reha.
Yeah. Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today we are going to do a very exciting recipe which is healthy and also tasty. It is called hunker sandwich. These are the ingredients you need. This is cucumber, finely chopped cucumber, small pieces, finely chopped cabbage, cheese, tomatoes. In tomatoes, you need to remove this seed from it so it is not watery because of curd. You need chaat masala, pepper powder, and cumin powder, and hunker. To start, you can make hunker. Take a cloth, put curd in it, and then you can press it properly so all the water is gone and only the dahi is left, and put it for some time and then put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge so it is cooled properly. And this is the thick consistency of hunker. Now, if you have any doubts, put it in the chat. I'll answer the doubts. So we'll start. First you all see the recipe. First you all see the recipe and then you can make it. I'll show you, I'll tell you one by one again, okay? Put half cucumber in the curd. Put half tomato like this. Put cabbage, how much ever you want. You can put 3 to 4 spoons of cabbage in it. Then you can add. I am a Jain, so I don't add onions and carrots. You can also add onions, finely chopped onions, and grated carrot in this. You can add cheese. Then mix it properly. So, I don't have butter. If you don't have cabbage, you can also add carrot and other vegetables you have at home. Yeah, I'll repeat the whole process. Take curd, hung curd, which is dahi, which is properly squeezed in cloth. Chill it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cucumber, de-seeded tomatoes, half tomato, cheese, cabbage. If you want grated carrot and onions. Mix it properly. Then I'll tell you. You can do this much, and then I'll show you another thing. Okay?
Reha, can you repeat? There are few students who have just joined. Repeat what we are going to make. What are the ingredients?
Yeah, we are going to make hung curd sandwich, which is very healthy and tasty to eat. Okay. हम लोग hung curd sandwich बनाने वाले हैं. वो बहुत टेस्टी और हेल्दी होता है. उसमें हम लोग दही को एक कपड़े में लेके अच्छे से पानी निकाल देते हैं उसका. फिर उसको बाउल में लेके थोड़ा 2 मिनट ठंडा करते हैं. उसमें क्यूकम्बर, आधा टमाटर और कैबेज और चीज डाल के अच्छे से मिक्स करना होता है उसमें. और दूसरे मैं बताती हूँ, तब तक दूसरे बच्चे तब तक वो करो. आज हम लोग hung curd सैंडविच बनाने वाले हैं. आप आपके घर पे जो वेजिटेबल्स हो आप डाल सकते हो, जैसे कि क्यूकम्बर, टमेटोज, कैबेज. फिर आप कैरेट डाल सकते हो, अनियंस डाल सकते हो. मैं तो जैन हूँ, मैं नहीं डाल सकती ये सब. ग्रीन चिलीज डाल सकते हो जिसको तीखा पसंद है। फिर उसको दही में अच्छे से मिक्स करना है और ये आपका फिलिंग बन जाएगा। फिर हम उसमें थोड़ा चाट मसाला डालेंगे टेस्ट के लिए। फिर पेपर पाउडर, काली मिर्च का पाउडर, और क्योंकि हम लोग चाट मसाला डाल रहे हैं हमको नमक डालने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता। क्यूमिन पाउडर, जीरा पाउडर, क्यूमिन पाउडर या जीरा पाउडर भी डाल सकते हो। फिर उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करो। आप उसमें चाट मसाला डालो, तो हाफ टी स्पून चाट मसाला डालो, हाफ टी स्पून पेपर डालो। अगर आप ग्रीन चिलीज ना डालो तो इससे पेपर से भी स्पाइसीनेस आती है। और जीरा पाउडर जो हम लोग टेस्ट के लिए डालते हैं। और आपको नमक डालने का जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग चीज डाल रहे हैं और चाट मसाला पाउडर डाल रहे हैं। You have to add half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, which is jeera powder. You don't need to add salt because there is cheese already, and we are also adding chaat masala. You all can do this much, and then we will do. When you all are done with this much, you show me your proper mixture, and then we'll go move further. Myra, please get it little closer. Yeah, nice, very good. Sia also very nice. Everyone very nice. Mix it properly and then keep it aside. Did you all add cheese? Add cheese properly for a very nice taste. No, you can't do the same thing with butter because this is a hung curd sandwich. Butter is to apply on the bread when we make the sandwich. Yeah, you all need to put grated cheese for a very nice taste. Yeah, you can also add paneer if you want.
Reha, can you explain once again, right from the beginning, the hung curd and what are the things you have added?
Yeah, I'll tell you everything again. Hung curd is a proper thickened curd which you make. Like take curd in a cloth, properly squeeze all the water from it, and put curd in it. Put curd in a bowl and put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 minutes to make it chill. Then add half cucumber in it. Then have half cucumber, cabbage, tomatoes and cheese. You can add more vegetables like cabbage, carrot, onions, corn, whatever you have in your house, you can add all of that. Add pepper, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, which is also called jeera powder. Mix this all properly. You don't need to add salt in it because we are already adding chaat masala and cheese in it. Mix it properly and keep it aside. You can't add lettuce inside the curd, but when we are making sandwich, you can put a lettuce leaf under the butter and bread, and then you can put the filling up. I'll tell you this afterwards again. Let the other kids finish it first, and then we'll go further. Trisha, very nice. जो भी डाउट्स है आप मुझे पूछो, मैं आपको आंसर करूंगी. Very good. It will taste good. everyone done? Now you take one slice of bread. You can cut in any shape. I'll show you in two shapes. I'm cutting in a flower shape. Be careful not to cut your hands while doing this. Hurt your hands, sorry. If you don't have any cutters, you can use a glass or a bowl with sharp edges. See, this is my flower shape. Now I'll show you in a circle shape. Take one more slice of bread. Put your bowl or the glass in the center and press it properly. Now remove all the breads from the sides like this. And see a proper circle shape. You can do all your 4 breads in a circle shape. Now take your breads and cut it in a proper shape, circle shape or whatever shape you have at your home. See, these are my shapes, like 2 of flowers and 2 of circle. You do whatever shape you have in your house and tell me, then we'll do the next step. मैं हिंदी में भी बोलती हूँ. आपके घर ब्रेड लो और आपके घर पे कटोरी या छोटा बाउल या ग्लास हो, उससे ऐसे ब्रेड में डालो और अच्छे से कट कर दो. फिर मैं आपको बताती हूँ. वेरी गुड त्रिशा. How many of you like cooking and making sandwiches? You can, if you like baking, like if you like making cakes and everything, you can see my YouTube channel. There are a lot of cake and other recipes you can see. Very good. Triangle is a very nice shape. You can cut a triangle also. जिसके पास कटोरी या जिसके पास कटर ना हो वो कटोरी या ग्लास से भी कट कर सकता है. You can use whole wheat bread, white bread, whichever bread you want. And if you don't have a cutter, like if there's a square piece of bread, you can cut the edges of it and then keep it. Whenever everyone is done, put a thumbs up in the chat box. I'll send the link at the end of the class. Okay, how many of you want me to repeat the whole recipe? I can repeat it again also. I am also speaking मैं हिंदी में भी बोल रही हूँ after speaking English. अगर आपको वापस चाहिए तो I can tell you the recipe in Hindi. And after you make your this filling, you need to taste it because you don't know that the chaat masala is more or the chaat masala is less. So you have to taste it and then you have to check it. If everything is nice, then I'll tell you the aage thing. And then if it is less, you have to add more things a bit. See, I'm also tasting. Yeah, it is very nice. In my chaat masala is less, so I am also adding chaat masala.
What if chaat masala is more?
If there is a chaat masala more, you can add more vegetables or more dahi in it, so it will take a proper taste. Now let's go further. Take a butter knife and don't take a proper sharp knife and be careful. Take a butter knife, take butter in your hand, in the knife, and properly spread it on the bread. Put butter on all 4 breads. See, I'm adding the butter on all 4 bread. Don't put very much butter and don't put very less butter also. Put a proper amount of butter so your bread does not get stiff or kadak. आप ब्रेड पे बटर लगाओ अच्छे से, क्यों अगर आप नहीं लगाओगे तो ब्रेड थोड़ा कड़क हो जाएगा, मतलब हार्ड हो जाएगा. Everyone look, see, I have added the butter on my bread. Show me after you put butter on your bread. See, I am directly adding the filling in this, but if you like tomato ketchup, chutney or any mayonnaise, you can also add that. Take one big spoon of the filling, put it in it and spread it properly like this. See, like this. Then put the other piece of bread on it like this. Press it properly. You have to add the filling only on the 2 breads, only on 2 pieces of bread, not all 4. After you do, I'll show you how to garnish it. See, Plating is very important when you are cooking. If you have a proper presentation and plating style, everyone will love your food. Finish your sandwich, and then I'll tell you how to do the garnishing. Put me a thumbs up when you're finished with it. जिसने चार साइड्स पे लगा दिया है, वो दूसरे 4 ब्रेड को कट करके उसके ऊपर लगा सकता है. See, my sandwich is ready. It's not yet ready, but I'm showing you the proper. Now we'll start the garnishing. Take your one sandwich. You can garnish it with small cheese cubes, like cheese slice, triangles or squares. You can put like this tomatoes, which is cut in a smile shape. You can put it like this and put 2 cucumbers or olives to make the eyes. You can put jalapenos, olives to make the eyes. Then you can do a lot of things. You can garnish it with a leaf of coriander. गार्निशिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है प्लेटिंग के लिए, कुकिंग के लिए. आप गार्निश कर सकते हो द सैंडविच, गार्निश कर सकते हो टमेटोज का स्माइल है मेरे पास, स्माइल और क्यूकम्बर या ऑलिव्स का आईज बना के. फिर आप चीज स्लाइस को अच्छे से स्मॉल पीसेस में कट करके उसको ऊपर रख सकते हो अच्छे से प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए. Very good, Parvo and Veeraj. Very good, Arya. Very nice. See, this is my plating. I have put some tomatoes for in a new plate to garnish it, and this is my sandwiches. This is how my sandwich looks. The thing I've used for the eyes, it is called jalapenos. Jalapenos is mostly, you have eaten jalapenos in pizzas and most of the sandwiches. Very nice, Harshya. Arya, sorry. Uh, whenever you are doing a good plating and showing to your mother or the family, they will be very happy seeing your plate. If your plating is good, your half of the race is other ways completed. If your eyes like to see the food, they will love to eat the food. My YouTube channel's name is Reha's Cookbook. I'll also write it in the chat box. Hygiene or cleanliness while cooking is very important. When you are cooking, before cooking, you need to wash your hands properly, and after cooking, you need to wash your hands properly so your hands don't get sticky after cooking. And before you have some dust, or you have done coloring, or you have done anything, there are the hands are very their hands are messy and not clean. So you have to wash your hands properly before cooking. आपको हाथ धोना बहुत जरूरी है कुकिंग के वक्त, क्योंकि आपने अगर कुकिंग करने के पहले कुछ अलग काम किया हो तो उससे हाथ गंदे हो सकते हैं और आपके खाने में आपके खाने में आपका खाना बिगड़ सकता है। मम्मा तुम्हारे very nice, Diti, Trisha, very nice.
राहिल गुप्ता
Very nice, Rahil Gupta.
बॉस बॉस की तरह
Bosky Parik, very nice. Is everyone done? Very nice, Kumil. It looks very pretty. Very nice, Riva. Very nice, Zoe. Very nice, Viva. Harji Trivedi, very nice. Turn your sandwich. I want to see it properly again. Very nice, Freya. Very nice punch. Everyone, it's very nice, very beautiful. Very nice, Anjali. Beautiful. Very nice, Kanishka. Very nice, Niyasha. Everyone, now taste your sandwich and tell me how is it. I hope everyone liked it. It was very nice to interact with you and make food with you. You can make, in this filling only, you can make a lot of sandwiches in different types. You can add lettuce or or different things to make it crunchy. And everyone done? Anyone has any doubts?
हाय नन्हे मुन्ने मास्टर शेफ्स, कैसी लगी सबको सैंडविच? सबने खाई कि टेस्ट की? सिर्फ खाई? देखो सानवी बोल रही है खाई। सानवी सोनी ने फिनिश की, पूरी सैंडविच फिनिश की। हमको रिया दीदी ने कितनी बढ़िया सैंडविच खिलाई है ना। जैनिश पारेख, स्माइल किस कहाँ खो गई है सबकी? स्माइल करो, चलो राहिल, अरिहा, स्माइल एवरीबॉडी, कम ऑन। पूरब, वीरेश लूथरा क्या टाइप कर रहे हैं? रिया दीदी ने हमको कितनी अच्छी सैंडविच बनाना खिलाया कि हम तो आधी फीलिंग्स ही खा गए बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग सैंडविच। मैंने बोला जल्दी शुरू कर रहा हूँ वरना हम ऐसे ही खा जाएंगे।
Yeah, because the filling is very tasty. You can have it like a salad
It's
also.
amazing. We love the uncut
You can
sandwich.
eat it with the chips or nacho chips. You can eat it
Yes.
with anything. The
So
filling
it can be
also.
used as a dip for your
Yeah.
nachos, wafers, है ना?
Yeah.
सबको मजा आया। तो हम रिया दीदी को थैंक यू कैसे बोलेंगे? कैसे थैंक यू बोलेंगे? अपनी सैंडविच फिनिश करके,
Yeah. Everyone finish your sandwiches.
है ना? सब लोग अपनी सैंडविच फिनिश करेंगे और फिर रिया दीदी को थैंक यू बोलेंगे। So she'll be very happy when we finish and don't waste the food. Thank you रिया दीदी from Ahmedabad branch. And हम चाहेंगे हम आपको दोबारा बुलाएं अच्छी अच्छी रेसिपीज के साथ।
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye everybody.
Welcome.
See you on Monday. Bye.
See you all the kids.
See you. Miss you all. Take care.